Hello, everyone. For preview day, October 17th, we're going to demonstrate the use of a skill saw, nail gun, and we're going to hand out some material so students will have a project to build. And this is just a small sampling of ways to use a skill saw and a nail gun. We don't always have to chalk lines all the way around using the saw. We'll show you how to use the saw so that you can make square cuts without having to make so many lines, save some time. And normally we do not use the nail gun as a hammer, but these guys have done that. So come by, visit, and you'll see students demonstrating the use of these tools.